Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Headspace and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage here. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.